is Thursday night, January
8.
the 8th. Number 2, realtors. Number 3, appraisers. How many of you know appraisers? Yeah, get to know an appraiser. Take them out to lunch. They're going to give you values really quickly. Number 4, lenders. How many of you know a lender? Nobody, look, there's a lender right here. Where'd he go?
Right here.
Where's Andrew? Oh, they're over there. What's your name?
Shelby.
Shelby over there, Prime Equity. And there's Andrew right back there. Wave, say hello. Silent hello. Say hello, hello.
Hello, everyone.
Okay. A little shy, I guess. Now you're gonna, for sure today, you're gonna know that, at least that one lender. Number 5, home inspectors. Do you know a home inspector?
Yes.
Go meet one, take them to breakfast. Number 6, mortgage brokers. Number 7, lawyers. What kind of lawyer do you want to meet?
Lloyd.
No, besides me. I'm retired. I'm retired. Real estate lawyers. What else? What other lawyers could possibly be? Divorce lawyer. Probate lawyer. Eviction lawyers. Criminal lawyers. Why would a criminal lawyer get you clients?
They're going to jail.
The person's going to jail and they need to get rid of their property.
Exactly. Again, Josh was able to talk to a lawyer like that and bought a property in Wilmington that was caught up in a situation like that. Number 8, accountants. How many of you know an accountant? If you need an accountant, let me know during the break. Number 9, contractors. Emerson, you're a contractor?
Yes, sir.
We've got a contractor here today that you can meet and help you out. 10, my favorite, courthouse clerks. I love clerks at the courthouse. Number 11, builders, developers.